Okay, so let's not beat around the bush here. If you speak to the average person about managing tradespeople, they will respond with something along the lines of, "Ugh." And there's a good reason for that. It can be a total nightmare. However, it doesn't have to be. The key with managing tradespeople is building good rapport. Once you've built a good rapport, you can then start to build a mutual respect. This, of course, takes time. It's not something that can be done instantaneously overnight. So what I've always done over the years is ensured that I've over-delivered with people. So if someone's done a bit of work and I'm happy with that work, I'll make it my top priority to pay them as quickly as possible. So imagine the amazement and joy someone has when they're paid within 10-20 minutes of putting an invoice in comparison with quite often them having to chase after money for days, weeks, sometimes even months after they've done the work. I'll ensure that the place they work in is clean and tidy and well organised. I'll ensure that all the materials are there on time, and I'll go out of my way to ask them if there's anything else I can do to help. It's all really, really simple stuff, but it means so much to people. So if a tradesperson has got the option of working on two different jobs, and there's one, like I've just said, where everything's organised really well and they know they're going to get paid straight away afterwards, or the other one where they know they're going to turn up, nothing's organised, they're going to be chasing around for the money, which one do you think they're going to go for? The thing is, once you've got respect with people, quite often they are willing to jump through hoops for you. The evidence of this can be seen with the speed and efficiency and quality with which we did the lookout. That was 13 weeks. Everyone was on a huge amount of pressure and it was done just before Christmas. Yet everyone stepped up to the mark because we spent years building up that mutual respect.